Welcome to this week's edition of the Thomas Index Report. It's that time of year when pumpkins and other gourds lining entryways are replaced by stacks of packages holding long-awaited clothing, gadgets, and holiday gifts. These deliveries, many of which are purchased online during Black Friday and Cyber Monday, reflect a 51% year-over-year increase in retail packaging sourcing on thomasnet.com across our 539 retail packaging suppliers. Some experts estimate the pandemic accelerated the adoption of e-commerce by 10 years, as consumers embrace delivery options, curbside pickup, and buy online, pickup in store. Consumers also started prioritizing sustainable packaging. Ahead of the busy holiday shopping season, Hasbro announced plans to get rid of window boxes on its retail toy packaging to eliminate excess plastic use. Similar shifts can be seen in sustainable packing sourcing on thomasnet.com, which is up 204% over last month's figures. Consumers are also increasingly expecting personalized and omni-channel experiences, which is where smart packaging comes in. Smart packaging utilizes sensor technology to connect the physical world with the digital. Livening up a popular shared holiday drink, winemaker 19 Crimes leverages living wine labels to bring its brand to life with an augmented reality experience. Across the 76,000 industrial sourcing categories on thomasnet.com, suppliers like Illing Packaging and Plasgad offer intelligent packaging solutions. As 71% of U.S. consumers plan to stick to online shopping this holiday season, retailers have started considering the unboxing experience to maintain customer loyalty. The shiftable and formable abilities of flexible packaging allow retailers to create unique packages that can be frequently customized at a low cost. It also keeps products sterile for the medical industry and fresh for food and beverage. Flexible packaging sourcing is up 20% over last month's figures on thomasnet.com. I'm Anna Wells, and this is the Thomas Index Report.